Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercedes, also known as That Mom and That Mom Wellness Coach here on the internet. I have all of the links to all my various pages in the description box if you guys are interested in any of that. But let's get on to the video. As the title says, we are doing salsa 3 ways. And as you can see in my nice little shot here, that we had some lovely produce that was coming to the end of its life. And so you'll see the tomato in a second. What I mean by that, they were getting a little soft. There we go, a little bit soft. But this is only like half of what I had to clean off to get ready for this recipe. We had gotten a box and a food box, and that we had some of these supplies in it, which is, as you can see in front of you, tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, tomatillos. We also had some citrus and stuff in the box. But then on the side of the box, we also had some cilantro that was coming to the end of its life that I was trying to dehydrate, and then I switched my mind when I decided on salsa. And then we also had some garlic that we just had in the house. It wasn't going bad or anything, but I decided to go ahead and make salsa. I started out with trying to do salsa verde, but it kind of changed, and we at the end kind of we said it was more like a restaurant style house salsa more than a green salsa. I think for my more green salsa we needed more tomatillos, but it turned out fabulous still. All 3 versions turned out really good. So as you can see, we put all of the vegetables, I cut them in half and I roasted them on my silicone baking sheet. In our toaster oven, we have a broil setting on the toaster oven, so that is what I used. We also used the extra virgin olive oil because that is what we had in the house, and I just lightly coated the silicone mat and the vegetables themselves so that they would get that nice little blister. As you can see, the onions turned out fabulous, and that little piece of onion skin was really good. Here you see me pouring the ingredients from a metal bowl, so I had to do several batches in the oven of the vegetables to roast them. So in the meantime, I put the ones that were already roasted into the metal bowl set that we have, just so that they could both kind of cool down and kind of sweat out a little bit. I didn't add any extra liquid to this recipe. The only liquid that was in there was the liquid from them sweating in the bowl, and it turned out fabulous. If you guys are not big into spice, I would definitely remove the seeds from the jalapeno. I have to give you guys some real ninja sounds here. So this is what the food processor actually sounds like. And this is on the pulse setting. And as you can see, we did the chop setting with the pulse, and that was perfect for this first and second stage of salsa, to kind of give it a chunkier salsa, you know, one that you can really pick up on that chip and just eat on that chip. We were making tacos, so the salsa was perfect for the tacos. And as you can see, the excitement on my face, like, this is just like beautiful. I was so impressed with the Ninja. This was like, well, this is the first time making salsa in the Ninja, but this was like, other than cookie dough, my like first thing making in the Ninja. So, and after having actually understood and read, because you guys saw my unboxing video last week and you guys heard me talk about the little blooper, which will be coming because I found the blooper. I found the blooper, guys. It's coming. But where was I at before talking about the blooper? Oh yeah, the Ninja, it just impressed me so much, and I can't wait to make more stuff in there. Since doing the salsa, we've also made potato soup in the Ninja too, so that turned out really good too. Here is my stage 2. So my first stage, like I said, it was the spiciest stage because that is the stage that had the jalapenos in it and that had everything, like all the ingredients in them was in that stage. We took out some of the extra hot and put it into our nice upcycled jars that I'll show you guys a picture of later in the video. oh, here comes the blooper. But anyway, we took out some nice upcycled jars, and we only took two of the extra spices, and then we took another two of the mediums, and then we had another two of the avocado salsa. So to make the medium from the salsa, from the spicy, all I added was more roasted tomatoes and onions into that one. I didn't have any extra cilantro, or I would have added more cilantro. There's a beautiful picture of phase 2, and then phase 3 was the avocados, which we had some beautiful avocados on hand, guys. These avocados, as you can see, oh, beautiful. I got my little compost bin, so we composted everything that couldn't be used, of course, but the majority of this meal was going to be composted because, like I said, they were going soft, but it worked out so great. This is a great way to deter food waste, using softer foods like this in salsas and soups and stews. It's a perfect way to save money and save food from going to landfill, because you guys know food's not meant to go into the landfill. It doesn't break down correctly or anything. That's why I have a compost bin. If you're able to compost, or if you have a municipal compost in your area, I would definitely check that out. It's definitely better for the environment. What else can I say about this beautiful salsa? It turned out so good. The kids really loved it. My girls were going to town on the extra super spicy one. Even the family members that we have that are not big into spicy ended up eating the super spicy one after a couple days. This avocado salsa went great on everything. I ate it on breakfast burritos for like the next week. And we had just normal chips and dip too with the salsa and everything. So it turned out wonderful. I highly recommend making this. If you guys do, tag me in the pictures. Let me know in the comments below if you do make this, or if you have a go-to salsa that you guys make, and yeah, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for listening to my rambling, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.